Hey guys, so for today's video, we wanted to do a more detailed explanation tutorial on how to create volume fans using the lonely fan or on the strip method. Before you start, you always want to brush through the strips really well to loosen up the lashes and to make sure that they're not clinging onto each other. Trust me, this really helps make the lashes fan out easier. Go ahead and dispense a fresh glue drop and let's make some volume fans. So here's a quick run through. First, you want to grab the lashes at the midpoint and place them back on the strip. And glide the bottom edge of your tweezers over the bases of the lashes. Then, adjust the lashes individually with a gentle lift and pull. Again, grab the lashes at the midpoint and peel the entire fan off the strip. Make sure to dip the fan vertically into the glue dot, coating about 1 to 2 millimeters of the base of the volume fan. Before I actually pick up the lashes, I like to slowly lift the lashes 2 to 3 times, and then on the final lift, I make sure the lashes are positioned in the sweet spot of the tweezer and the lashes are in perfect formation side by side when placed back on the strip. Next, I roll the tip and edge of my tweezers over the bases of the lashes, and my goal is to spread the lashes apart as evenly as possible so that the volume fan is at least 90% perfect. Then I individually adjust every single lash to make sure it's angled and positioned correctly in order to achieve a symmetrical volume fan. The goal is to create equal spacing and distance between each lash. Then I'll slip the volume fan in between my tweezers and grab the fan right at its midpoint. You want to gently peel the fan towards you, and the base of the fan should come off the strip last. The key to making perfect volume fans is having a good volume tweezer with a sweet spot that allows you to pick up the lashes and hold the lashes perfectly each time. This is what will make you more efficient and be able to make more perfect volume fans quicker. Every time you pick up the lashes, you want to make sure it's within that sweet spot in order for you to have a secured grip of the lashes and to keep them in perfect formation. It's also important for the strips of the lashes to be easy to work on. The strips should have enough stickiness for you to place the lashes on and create the fans. The level of stickiness will also help keep the lashes in perfect formation. These lighter color strips make it so much easier to work on because the contrast between the black lashes and the light brown strips make it easier for you to see the lashes more clearly, and it's important that you're able to see if these lashes are positioned properly on the strip as you're creating the fans. So I tend to fiddle around a lot with the lashes, and sometimes it doesn't matter how much you try to adjust the lashes, it just won't go where you want it to. So I just throw it out and start over again, because you don't want to waste time trying to fix the lashes when you can just jump on to the next. This is why it's so important on the first step to making the fan that the moment you pick up the lashes and place them back down on the strip, the lashes need to be in perfect formation so that when you spread the lashes apart, the volume fan can be created and it's 90% perfect. I use the very tips of my tweezers to grab the lashes, and on the final grab, I make sure that I'm grabbing the lashes at the midpoint and that the lashes are positioned in the sweet spot of my tweezers. Now look closely when I roll the tweezers over the base of the lashes just spread apart and you can see the volume fan form right away. Making volume fans is all about precision in your movements and accuracy in the point of contact between the lashes and your tweezers. So the less you need to adjust and fiddle around with the lashes, the more efficient you can be in creating perfect volume fans, which of course will help you become faster in doing your volume sets. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in some way, and let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about this lonely fan volume technique.